The Realme GT 9 Pro is a highly anticipated, upcoming flagship smartphone expected to launch in late 2026. Tipster Smart Pikachu claims that the Realme GT 9 series current plan appears to favor a dual 200-megapixel camera setup aimed at pushing imaging performance higher, along with strengthened co-branded image tuning. The Realme GT 8 Pro already features a 200-megapixel primary camera, and it appears that the Realme GT 9 Pro's rear camera setup could include a pair of 200-megapixel sensors, likely for the main and periscope telephoto cameras. A 50MP ultra-wide sensor. The leak suggests that the Ricoh partnership will offer deeper tuning for an enhanced photography experience. A 6.79-inch LTPO AMOLED display offering a sharp 1440 by 3136 pixel resolution and a fluid 144 Hz refresh rate. Powered by next-generation Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 flagship processor, paired with a baseline of 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. A massive 7,000 mAh battery paired with ultra-fast 120W SuperVOOC wired charging and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.